Hey guys, here is how to create groups on S-Chat. So to do that, go ahead and open your S application, wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, click on the chat application that is on the bottom right, and then have it open. Now, once this is open, you can notice where it says all. Now click on the all to drop down and then choose only groups. Now, once you have the groups open, this is your groups area. So to create a group, if you belong to any group, it's going to display all of the groups you belong to right here. But since you do not belong to any group, it shows empty. So to create a new group, you see this icon right here. This is supposed to be a plus icon, but it's actually hidden. You click on that, and then it's going to bring you an option that says search for a group. Now you can also see an option that says create a group. Now you click on create a group. Now, when you click on create a group, you add a group name and then you add friends, or rather the people you want to add to the group, and then you say done. So let me go ahead and name the group name tutor. All right. And then all these people, you can actually add them. You can select as many as your friends that you want, and then you add them to a group. But then most of these people, I know them only on X. I do not know them in person, and I'm going to delete this group. So if you're done selecting these people, let me just select very few so I won't get too much backlash. If you're done selecting, click on done. Now, do not forget you are going to actually give the group a name and even more. So now I have these people in the group, and you can actually see the member. Just swipe down a little. These are the members in the group, and you can go ahead and add even more member. Now you notice I'm an admin. You can also click on the three-dotted icon to either make an admin or to remove from group. You can do whichever option that you want, or rather you set a nickname for them. Now, another thing, you can also share a group invite by actually clicking on this to enable this. Go ahead and toggle it on right here, and the group invite is going to be on, so people can share the link with their friends so that their friends can also join the group, even though they are not the admin. So I can copy this and then I can share it on the group. I can share the link right here. And I can also post the link to, let's say, every other social media, and anybody can join the group. And not just that, you can also click on the name to edit. To edit the group, click on the name. Click on the pencil icon to edit the name of the group or the photo of the group. Because right now, I do not have any photo. So click on edit name. Go ahead and edit your name however it fits you. And then once you're done, you click on done. So once you're done, you click on done. And then again, you can also, I think they have a video call, but this video call is not yet available. And you can also enable disappearing message if you want the disappearing message to be available. And you can also click on this section to actually block screenshots, which is you do not want people to be able to take screenshots on the group. If you want to enable that, you can leave that on. And you can also click on this area to leave the conversation or clear the conversation, whichever one you choose. And then if you want to add more people, you can click on this add more member, or you go to this bottom area and do add more member. And guys, this is all I want to show you. If you have any other question regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I will see you on the next one. So let me go ahead and remove all of these people. To remove, click on remove, and it's going to be able to remove. And guys, that is as easy as that. Let me go ahead and remove everyone and then delete the group itself. So to get rid of the group or to delete the group, click on this area, clear conversation, and the conversation has been cleared. Go back again, click on the three-dotted icon, and then leave the group. So when you leave the group, it will be deleted and the group is no longer going to be available. So if you have any question regarding this, leave it on the comment section. And also, I think the minimum or the maximum membership that a group can have right now is 1,000, but it might still be reduced because initially it was 350 members in a group. But I think they have actually increased it to 1,000. I don't know if they are going to reduce it again or maybe increase it even more. But whatever the case is, I am going to update you. And here, guys, is actually your top area to stay updated in tech and everything tech. So see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.